How's it going, everybody? So here we are back with the TRX90 build project. Got everything back from powder coat. Now there had to start a little bit of assembly just because there's a few things I needed to try out and a couple things that I've never done before. So I wanted to make sure I got it perfect before I started filming on the build. Got a little carried away with a little bit of assembly, but this is it right now. Let's get this thing put back together and see what the finished project's gonna look like.
Tell you one thing, I should have shown you all my scars before they tore us apart. You could have known right from the start. I was so afraid of looking weak, lost in my ways in too deep, knowing that in my soul was tearing me in two. I'm sorry that I couldn't face the truth, 'cause I could feel it in my bones. Knew we would never be enough. Too much of even though I tried. Voice and love, can't voice and love. You burn yourself on something cold, because I can never give you what you want. Too much of even though I tried. Voice and love, can't voice and love. Always give up when things get difficult, 'cause love never fit in with the cynical. And that's why I had to leave before you see me bleed. I'll never be the person that you need. I hope that you find someone that you deserve, someone who's not afraid of getting hurt. 'Cause I only crawl so I don't have to fall. I'd rather have nothing than take it all, 'cause I can feel it in my bones. Knew we would never be enough. Too much of even though I tried. Voice and love, can't voice and love. You burn yourself.
All right, everyone, super excited to show you this. 90 is about 95% complete, so let's check it out. Here she is, purring like a kitten, looking amazing. Still waiting on graphics from FTR Power Sports. Also get the seat cover put on from Works Carbon. Horkin Custom Concepts just killed it on this powder coat job. Little Illusion Violet with a chameleon sapphire metallic accent. Loving this thing. So as soon as we get the graphics put on, get the seat cover put on, do one last little look with it, it's gonna look so sweet sitting next to my YFZ at the Nationals this year. So huge shout out to Two Brothers Power Sports, Root River Racing, Launderville Steel Enterprises, Firepower Products, Fly Racing, FTR Power Sports, Works Carbon, and Horkin Custom Concepts. Without these guys, this thing would just be a boring 90 still. So stay tuned, we'll get some more videos when she's all complete.